Hi all, just a quick video to show that it's actually possible to get different colours while all the LED strips are connected in parallel. Just a quick rundown on the little circuit. 3 transistors to control each of the colours RGB individually, and a 4-channel optical isolator to control the VTC to each LED strip. So obviously I can turn it each one on and off individually. At the moment I'm just cycling through all the colours just to show that everything's running how it should be while they're all connected. Oh sorry, I missed out. I'm using a Teensy 3.2. Originally I was using a Omega 328. runs slightly slower, but it's still possible to get two lots of colours, but not obviously the 3, which this is why I'm using the Teensy 3.2. So I just run the code and you will see I'm gained 3 different colours. I've got green, red, blue and say pink or purple, and there you go. It's possible to get 3 different colours or 4 different colours while all the lines are connected in parallel. There you go. Sorry for the focus, I'm doing it on my phone. Alright, thank you, thanks for watching.